friends. It's a wonderful moment. We've just had a wonderful celebration to celebrate the wonders of God, the workings of God in our little company here in the Vice Province of Kenya. We've just witnessed the transition from one leadership to another leadership, and it's all by the grace of God that we celebrate this day, thanking the Lord for His mercies and for His great love for us that has gotten us this far. I'm so delighted to have been called by God to this task of leadership, following in the footsteps of our founder, St. Vincent de Paul, but also following in the footsteps of Father Edwin, who now moves on to another ministry in our congregation. I've received a lot of messages of support from the brothers, both here in Kenya and outside Kenya, brothers from the Western Province, the visitor of the Western Province, Father Joe Williams, and many confreres from the Western Province, even a conference from our General Courier, starting with Father Thomas Maverick, who is a Superior General, who have congratulated me and assured me of their support. Many Christians, many people of goodwill have assured me of their support and prayers. And so I'm standing here counting on their prayers, counting on the blessings that they bring. And I want to thank the conference for the support that they have assured me and the prayers that they have assured me, because together as a family, nothing can defeat us. If we walk together, nothing can defeat us. And that is why I've taken as a motto for my administration, that they may be one. The prayer of Jesus in John chapter 17, he was praying for unity for the disciples. And so this is my prayer, this is my call, because united we can be able to attract others to Christ. The first community of the believers, the apostles, attracted others to Christ because of their unity. And if we are all united, then we will be able to attract others to Christ. So I pray that we move together to support one another, even our benefactors from wherever you are, both here in Kenya, in the US, those who have supported our mission, given all that they have for the sake and support of the poor here in Kenya. I am very grateful, and I look forward to working with you. I look forward to you continuing to support our mission as we continue to serve the poor who are our Lords and Master. I ask for God's blessing for each one of you, and may God bless you all. May God bless our little company. God bless the Vice Province of Kenya.
On this day, I would like to congratulate Father Benson Odhiambo for having been appointed our new visitor for the Vice Province. It's a wonderful day, and we are all filled with joy. It gives me so much delight to see growth and this transition. And I'm thinking about the 4.5 years I've served as a leader. First 1.5 years as a regional superior, and then for 3 years as a visitor for the Vice Province of Kenya. And I would like to just remember the first 1.5 years when I served as a regional superior, the love and support that I got from the confreres, and especially from Father Gary Mueller, who was my predecessor. He introduced me to leadership and mentored me and supported me. And then during that time also Father Pat McDavid, who was our visitor, because that time we belonged to the Western Province. And I remember the support and the mentorship that he gave me. And then afterwards, when I became the visitor for the Vice Province, the first visitor for the Vice Province of Kenya, the support and the love that I got from all these leaders. And Father Joe Williams, the current visitor for the Western Province, thank you so much for your friendship and fraternal presence in our Vice Province, but also from confreres. They came around me and supported, and we started off very well. And on this day, I would like to share the same love and support with Father Benson as he takes the mantle of leadership. assuring him of our prayers and our support. It is both a beautiful task but also challenging, as we all know. But I like to assure Father Benson that he'll enjoy this leadership because of the support of prayers and love and encouragement from so many people. I'd like to thank also the international leadership led by Father Thomas Maverick for the encouragement and the love and support that he has given to me, but also to the confreres in the Vice Province. Thank you so much, Father Thomas. In a special way, I'd like also to thank other partners, people who have always contributed their time, their resources, their prayers to this Vice Province, ensuring that we grow and we become successful in our mission. I'd like to wish Father Benson a very successful tenure in leadership. I'd like to assure him that we'll be together with him, we'll journey together, all of us, as one family. I'm so happy and delighted that he mentioned that united in mission as one family, that all may be one. That is a wonderful theme that he has taken at the beginning of this leadership. Also for the staff, for the love that you have shown me, the support, your professionalism, and your commitment to work, it has been amazing. Also the staff at Western Province, for the lessons that I got from you, for the support that you have always given us, and knowing that we are serving the people of God. I would like to assure you that I'll be praying for you in my next mission, which by the way, I've just been given. I'll take some little time for rest and then proceed for further studies. May God bless you all. May God bless our Vice Province. May God bless Father Benson. Would like him to succeed, to be successful. Would like him to do very well. And we are all committed to supporting him. Thank you so much. May God bless each one of you. We love you all. And may St. Vincent de Paul and Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal always intercede for us. Thank you.